Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a series of numbers like this without having to select a few and then dragging and dropping all the way to the bottom. So I've typed all the directions here, but I'm going to demonstrate it for you now. We'll start with a new column A. You type 1 in here, then in A2 you do equals A1 plus 1. Then you select this, you copy it, Control C, and then and this is the key step, Control Shift down arrow. This selects all the cells below the cell you have selected and the cell you have selected. You just do Control V, and now you can do Control Shift up arrow. That'll take you all the way back up. And now there's one more step to do, which is instead of having these stay as formulas, you probably want to make them just plain numbers. So what you do is you do Control C, you copy the entire column, and then you do Control Shift V. And what Control Shift V does is it's just paste special values only. Now you have a complete set of serial numbers all the way from top to bottom instead of this formula. If this was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have another strategy for this or if you need help with any other tasks like this, and if I have a solution, I'll make a video for you. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.